Well, if you're registered to vote here in Florida, your personal information, your name, address, phone number, and more is available for anyone to see. But what about your children?
As ABC Action News reporter Eric Waxler shows us, even underage teenagers are showing up on this public roster.
I was really upset that my daughter, as a minor, her public information was out there.
When Michelle Chamberlain's daughter Allie got her driver's license, the 17-year-old also pre-registered to vote. But they had no idea so much of her information would end up on this website, including her name, date of birth, address, and phone number.
Someone may want to look that up and they can find it right there. It's very easy to access.
When you're getting these phone calls from voters, it really hits home.
Pasco County Supervisor of Elections Brian Corley says he's receiving more and more complaints about voter information online on sites like flvoters.com with major concerns about identity theft. He says a former New Hampshire state legislator bought Florida's voting database, which is public record, for $5. The site says a clean voter list is essential to free and fair elections, but it also has ads.
Voters should not have to choose between protecting their identity and their privacy and exercising their precious right to vote. It should not be a choice between the two.
The issue is such a concern, lawmakers are working on passing a bill to protect the information from commercial use, a bill the First Amendment Foundation says isn't justified and is contrary to the public interest.
We're trying to find a balance because there are some watchdog groups that use the data to make sure there's no voter fraud or irregularities going on. Oversight's always a good thing. Also, the media uses it, and we're sensitive to that.
Kids have Twitters and Facebook and things like that, but their personal information is not there, and our address is right on that information when it comes up.
Florida isn't the only one with its voter roll online. The site also offers the same information from 7 other states. In Pasco County, Eric Waxler, ABC Action News.